Hi, this is the video from lesson 4.1.4. Let's start with 4-51. Gloria is weighing combinations of geometric solids. She found that 4 cylinders and 5 prisms weigh 32 ounces and that 1 cylinder and 8 prisms weigh 35 ounces. Write and solve a system of equations to determine the weight of each cylinder and prism. So we see that she found that 4 of the cylinders and 5 prisms equal 32 ounces, and 1 cylinder and 8 prisms equal 35 ounces. Okay. So one way that you could think about this question, or this part of the system here, is this is the same thing as C equals 35 minus 8P. I just moved the 8 over here, and then 1C is the same thing as C. So now that we know what C equals, I can plug it in here so we can solve. So that gives us 4 times 35 minus 8P plus 5P equals 32. Okay, so let's just distribute here. 4 times 35 is 140 minus 32P plus 5P equals 32. Combine like terms, 140 minus 27P equals 32. We'll subtract the 140 on each side, so negative 27P equals negative 108. Divide by negative 27 on each side, so P is equal to 4. Okay, I'm going to take that P and plug it back in. Okay, so I'm going to take this 4, and I think I'll just go plug it right into this one. So we've got C plus 8 times 4 equals 35. C plus 32 equals 35. Subtract the 32, so C is equal to 3. Awesome. So this tells us that the cylinders equal 3 ounces and the prisms are 4 ounces. Okay, 4-53, let's solve these equations algebraically. So let's look at A. I think what I want to do here is subtract the 5 first, just to get rid of that. So we have negative 3 times 1/2 x plus 2 equals negative 12. Let's divide by negative 3. So 1/2 x plus 2 equals 4. Subtract 2. Times the 2 on both sides, so x is equal to 4. Here, let's get rid of this 5 by dividing. So we have the square root of x minus 2 plus 1 equals 3 left. Subtract the 1. And then let's square both sides to get rid of it. So x plus 2 equals 4. So x equals 2. All right, and pause or whatever. Oh, sorry. This was an x minus 2 here. I didn't mean to do that. Let me fix that really quick. Minus 2. So we have x minus 2 equals 4. Then we'll add the 2, so x is equal to 6. Sorry about that. Everybody makes mistakes. All right, 12, part C, we're going to minus that 12 first. So we have negative 1 that's there. Be careful with that. And that'd be negative 10. Now we'll divide by that negative 1. Plus x equals 10. Okay, so one thing here. We can combine these because they're like terms. So if I take 2/3 and I add 1, that's the same thing as 5/3. See if I change that to, so I take 3 times 1 plus 2 to get that numerator there. You can also click math and then go to fraction. This is the same thing as 5/3 x. Because now what I can do is times by 3 and then divide by 5, so x equals 6. Don't let the fractions freak you out. Use your calculator. And then we'll divide by negative 3 here. So we have 2x plus 1 cubed equals, that would be 64. All right, now to get rid of this power here, we're going to take the cube root. on everything. So this becomes 2x plus 1 equals, now to find the cube root of 64, you click the math button, and do you see the cube root is the fourth one down there? So that's 4. All right, so I'll write a 4 minus 1, and then divide by 2, so that'd be x equal to 3 over 2. All right, multiple choice. Which of the following points is a solution to y is less than the absolute value of x minus 3? So what we're going to do is take each of these x's and plug it in for x, and each of these y's and plug it in for y. So this becomes 1 is less than the absolute value of 2 minus 3. That'd be negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1. That's not true. Okay, let's try this one. We've got 5 is less than negative 4 minus 3, the absolute value. So that'd be negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. Is 5 less than 7? Yes, that's true. Now, it could be more than 1 point here, so let's take a look. 8 is less than 3. Nope, that's not true. And then less than be, yeah, that'd be 0 minus 3 here. That'd be negative 3. 3 less than 3. Nope, that's not true. So just part B. All right, and that's the end of the problems for this video. Thanks for watching.